What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to bring you a small update. I am on a mission to start my independent welding school. Like I've been doing my research, I'm getting everything lined out because I really want to get it off the ground. As of now, my plans are to start it in OKC. It's probably where I'm gonna start the actual school when I first go. Well, it's gonna be an independent school, so it ain't gonna be like a accredited school, but it's gonna be an independent school where I'm gonna be specializing in a certain different fields, and I'm gonna need a little help. I'm gonna need help from my true fans. You know how they say when you getting stuff started, everything takes money, it takes time, it takes effort, it takes hard work. So I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna lead by example. I'm gonna put my money, my hard work, my sweat, my education, my discipline, my effort, everything that I got into getting everything off the ground, so that way I can help produce other independent welders, other independent business owners is my goal, because it's a independent school that actually turns a trade into a business. Majority of schools, if you look around, you're not going to find anything like this. And I wanted to do something different with what I had to offer, because I felt like we needed to break some change. I don't want to teach you things you don't need to know, but I want to make sure you have what you do know and what's most important. And most people don't teach business, and you need to be a business. So if you network with me, I want to teach you how to be a business, because that's how you're going to get ahead for your family. That's how you're going to get over the hump, and you're going to actually be able to live life and enjoy life instead of just existing, paying bills and going through the motions. You might take one vacation a year, and then you're even thinking about bills. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to break that chain so we can actually live free while we're here. But I'm going to need a little help. And all I'm asking is 1,000 of my 1,000 faithful followers, 1,000 of my faithful followers to support my movement by purchasing something from me, purchasing some prints, purchasing a shirt, whatever you want to get. You know what I mean? I don't want to ask you something for nothing. You know what I mean? I want to give you something in return. And on top of that, I'm creating what I'm gonna call a steel of life tree, and it's going to be inside of the school. I'm gonna have it inside where everybody can see it coming in or whatever. And my main first 1,000 supporters that help me support the movement, that help me get things off the ground. If you're supporting through PayPal, you're supporting through Cash App, whatever it is, I want to be able to have your name, not what you donated. It doesn't matter. But I want to have your name on this. You know what I mean? Saying that you helped me start this, because it's, to me, I think it takes they say it takes a village to raise it takes the village to raise the kids. So I want all of us to come together who really believe it, and just, I'm gonna make it happen. So if you just want to say, hey man, I want to donate $100 towards you doing this, $20 towards you doing this, $5 towards you doing this, $1, 50 cents. You know what I mean? Hey, I want to help out, and I want to be able to break some change, man. I'm doing something different. And I know it's not going to be easy, but the way I'm doing it, I'm not asking the government for any help. So I'm not starting no nonprofit organization. This is going to be an independent LLC, a business where those who are going to actually working for me, or the teachers, or those who helping me put things together, are going to be getting paid from the business. So we want to be able to make the business, the school, make a profit. We want to be able to make products from the school to help finance the school. You see what I'm saying? We're going to provide our own finances. So that's what I'm trying to do. It's not going to be easy. I'm just speaking this out here now. I'm already working on a few things. I got the website domain bought. Also got the website. I just got to get the guy. He got to finish it, get everything together. The Hogon Welding website will be up. That's going to be the main website. That's going to be Hogon Welding, and then it's going to be a lot of different branches, but you'll be able to find our other websites on Hogon Welding, the main website. You can be able to take you to the other one, or where we really talking about business, because we're gonna have social media sites, but we want to have web pages. I think it's very valuable for you to have a website for your business. I want to stress that. Independent welders, get your website. Get your website. You don't have to go all the way out, but get you one. If you got an idea, go on and pay for your domain. You can actually hold your domain for a few years if you want, 5 years if you want, and then say, hey, I'm ready now. But at least can't nobody get it from you. So keep that in mind. But for all of my true supporters, I would like for 1,000 people to really help me jump this off the ground. Like I say, I'm putting money, I'm putting effort, I'm putting time. I'm going to make it happen. Actions speak louder than words. You're going to see what I'm going to be doing. So if you want to support this, hit me up however you want to hit me. You can call me 480-430-6591. You can email me at hogonwelding@gmail.com. That's HOGON hogonwelding@gmail.com, or you can hit my professional Gmail at joe@hogonwelding.com. That's joe@hogonwelding.com. Or you just send me an inbox through social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you network with, LinkedIn. So I'm trying to do something different, and I'm gonna speak this into existence. And if just by chance, let's say I don't get 1,000 followers, 1,000 fans, I mean, to really help me do this, I'm still gonna do it. How long?